Whoa!
Grab what's in your kitchen. Let's make some science happen. চলো একটু science করে ফেলি আজকে। Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome back to Albina Zakir Academy. Today we're going to make one of my favorite science experiments. It's called magic milk. And it looks like real magic, but it's just really cool science. Let's get started. What do we need? We need whole milk, one swallow dish. But if you have a large swallow dish, then you need to put more milk, a more amount of milk. If you have a smaller dish, then place a less amount of milk. And we need a few different food colorings, some dish soap, and a cotton swab. That's it. You probably already have all of these at home. Let's start the process. I'm going to use this plate, but use whatever plate you have. Now I'm going to pour some milk onto the plate. But remember, it has to be a thin layer of milk across the plate. Don't place too little or too much. Now let's place a few drops of different food coloring. The more food coloring, the more cooler it will look. Now I'm going to place yellow food coloring. Just one drop. Now I'm going to put red food coloring. One drop. Now I'm not going to stir it, and I'm just going to let the food coloring lay on the milk. I'm going to grab one cotton swab. Now the magic will start from here. Let's dip the cotton swab into the dish soap. Place the dish soap aside. Now the magic starts.
Okay.
Wow, look at those colors. The more you place it, the more cool patterns it will come. I have blue, yellow, and red food coloring, but you can use any colors you want. The colors which are more brighter are more better to see.
So this is the wow. So this is what is magic. Okay. Yo. Put some more. This one. So this is how reflecting. Bring inside. Yes, like this.
That's it. This is our magic milk science experiment. But why does this happen? This happens because the milk is made of mostly water, fat, and protein, and the soap loves fat. When you place the soap on the milk, the soap tried to grab the milk and it pushed the food coloring all around, and it made a swirling. And it made a really, really cool swirl. So that's the magic milk experiment. Now it's your turn. Try this and comment how it looked. See you in the next episode. Thank you. So that's exactly what happened today. Hope you enjoy it. Try with things you've already got at home. Now it's your turn. Ebar tumar pala. Try this and comment what happened when you did it. See you in the next experiment.